Welcome back to the channel, guys. I wanted to take a little break from all of our compost heating stuff. We've got a lot of work going on, cleared all this out, still a lot of work yet to do. We've got our large tank down on the other side, but what I want to show is this little contraption. We've got all of this junk coming out of here. We got pieces of plastic, rocks. So this is an old compost sifter, and we actually had a pane of glass over it at one point in time, and it was a drying box for our sunflowers and other herbs. So this is a very versatile box that we have built. Instead of sifting through compost, we are sifting through the actual soil in our greenhouse. You can see how chunky all of this is. And then when we come on the back side, it's just pure powder, perfect soil to be planting into. A little clay and a little sand, and we've got a little bit of soil and compost that we've mixed in here, but for the most part, all of this is pretty well good to plant into, and we're just building upon this soil. So I have this propped up against our support in our greenhouse, but I also use just a regular board because I can do this whenever we flip over a bed. I will just kind of sift all of the soil up and pull any unwanted rocks and stuff like that. I use these rocks, all these rocks I find, I will just put them in our strawberries and basically just catch all of these strawberries. You can see rocks up in all of those strawberries, just pinning them down and getting them rooted up in pots. So I just collect all my rocks there, and when I get a new strawberry plant, I'll throw some soil in and pinch it down. So here we have it. We've got some very fine soil, very good seed starting material. We don't have all of these rocks, grass, and decaying material. Big old deposits of iron on this rock here, just pulling all types of crap out of here. Stuff that was buried 100 years ago. We're finding old nails, all types of stuff. So this is great to do. You can see how fine all of this soil is. We could plant right in that, water it down, and have some good seed going. So these compost sifters are very, very versatile. You can use them for many, many different things. We always keep about half a dozen of these. I just keep one every location that I ever need to sift, really. Sometimes I'll sift through our wood chip compost. Sometimes I sift through our veggie compost, our bacterial dominated compost. And sometimes I'm out here sifting rocks out of my greenhouse. Now this was just a quick update. It's getting pretty warm out here. I've got to continue working on all of my systems and get all of this ready. I'll be bringing an update shortly on all of our compost heating systems and our solar powered systems that are going along with that.